Hello everyone, welcome to Color a World of Art. Hunt some honey with a bumblebee mask. Gather these materials. First, let's paint the back of a paper plate yellow with poster paint using a paintbrush. Put some newspaper below the plate in case your paint drips off the plate, which I don't want to clean up. Next, cut out a black equilateral triangle from black paper. Then fold the blue paper into half and draw a heart shape with the pointed end cut off by a straight edge, with the straight edge of the shape on the folded side of the paper. Then use scissors to cut through both layers to cut the shape out. And then cut the shape in half along the fold line. Next, make two black stripes on the bottom half of the plate using black tape about 1.5 cm in width. Space them about 2.5 cm apart from each other. Cut the excess off following the curve of the plate. You can also use a marker to draw the stripes if you don't have black tape. Next, put glue on one edge of the triangle and stick it to the bottom of the plate below the stripes as a bee stinger. Paste the two wings on the sides of the stripes as well. Then stick on googly eyes above the stripes. And draw that hard-working smile under the eyes. Lastly, take a chenille stick and bend it in half into a V shape. Roll the ends downward to form little bald ends. Put glue at the folded part of the stick and paste it behind the plate above the eyes. And now she's ready to hunt for some honey! Get to work, you guys! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.